In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer under $200 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Official Creality Ender 3. The Kobra 3D printer is made of aluminum and has product dimensions of 17.32 inches in depth, 17.32 inches in width, and 18.31 inches in height, weighing 15.43 pounds. It is compatible with laptops and personal computers. The printer features a resume printing function in case of power outages, quick and easy assembly, advanced extruder technology to reduce plugging risk, noiseless movement, and a durable build. Additionally, it has a safety-protected power supply and undergoes strict testing for key components before delivery, with lifetime technical support available. Number 2. ELEGOO MAZ 3 3D Printer. The ELEGOO MAZ 3 is a high-precision desktop MSLA 3D printer that features a 6.66 inches mono LCD with Ultra 4K HD resolution, delivering amazing 3D prints with a 30% higher XY resolution at 35 micrometers and 37% higher build volume than its predecessor. With an improved release film 2.0 and upgraded light source, the printer offers a greatly improved success rate when printing 3D models with lots of details. It also features an optimized heat sink unit for improved heat dissipation and longevity of the UV LED lights. Additionally, the MAZ 3 comes with a 1-year free trial of ChichiBox Pro Slicer, offering professional-grade upgrades and compatibility with Lychee Slicer. Number 3. TraniKrux 1 3D Printer. The TraniKrux 1 is a small 3D printer made of metal, with dimensions of 7.09 inch x 7.09 w x 7.09 h and a weight of 5.8 kilograms. It comes 95% pre-installed, offering quick assembly and high adaptability for both entry-level and portable home office use. The cantilever structure provides good load capacity and stability during printing, while its lightweight and portable design makes it suitable for students and children. The unique XYZ axis design improves accuracy and stability, and the direct drive extruder ensures stable and fast filament extrusion, compatible with common filaments in the market such as PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo 3D Printer is a high-speed and precision printing machine made of aluminum in a sleek black color. With dimensions of 15 inch x20 w x20 h and a lightweight of 18 ounces, it offers fast and efficient printing with a maximum print speed of 250 mm per second. The integrated extruder and cooling system ensure quick melting of filaments and rapid cooling for molding. The printer also features advanced functions like linear propulsion and input shaping for improved print quality and stability. Additionally, the ELEGOO 2.0 automatic leveling system allows for easy and efficient creation, making it suitable for both novices and experienced users. With excellent customer service and technical support, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo 3D Printer offers a seamless printing experience for all users. Number 5. Longer Orange 30 3D Printer. The Longer Orange 30 is a high-precision resin 3D printer designed for larger printing sizes, with a 2K LCD screen and a resolution of 2560 by 1440. It offers a printing size of 4.72 by 2.68 by 6.69 inches and features improved solid linear guide and special slider design for enhanced accuracy and stability of the Z-axis. Integrated with matrix UV LED arrays, it provides better printing performance with uniform illumination and shorter curing time. The printer is easy to operate with a full-color touch screen, real-time printing status preview, and fast slicing capabilities. It also includes a fast cooling system and high-temperature warning system for improved safety. The Orange 30 comes with a 12-month machine warranty and lifetime technical support, as well as high-efficiency community support on Facebook. Note that the printer does not come with resin, and it is compatible with laptops and smartphones, supporting STL file format.